Hey sneakerheads, I'm Dave We Like, and welcome to this unboxing as well as my general impressions of the Adidas AlphaEdge 4D reflective shoes. Can I just say real fast that this box is really cool? Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with taking these shoes on out. As you'll see, you get two of them. I don't know if you're aware of that. That's pretty nice these days to get two shoes because I have 2 feet. So generally speaking, you've got a black body to it, and the inner layer is the reflective kind of white color. And then of course the 4D portion is at the bottom of the shoe, that green portion, which is really, it's a color. It's really bright. And at the end of the day, right, they're supposed to be reflective. So being green, that really pops no matter the time of the day. And when you go and focus in on nighttime, and I'll just show you what it looks like with a flashlight, making my room as dark as possible. The general gist is that that white is going to be popping out of that shoe. There is, interestingly enough, a purple tail to it at the very back of the shoe. You'll see it kind of reflecting a bunch of different colors. During the daytime, it looks more to have a hint of purple, but really when you shine that light on there, it gets really bright. The main reason why I went with these shoes was because I was looking for 3D printed shoes. It just seemed like it was going to be something that would be interesting and kind of a talking point if some random person asked me on the street, which nobody has. It's really interesting that with this braided design, water will just go right through the shoe. And so that'll be a good way to clean the shoe if you need to. But I definitely recommend that you don't wear this in mud, because I could imagine that mud will just get all over this shoe and inside of the shoe, and it's just going to be a pain to clean it up. I've been personally wearing this shoe on about a month on sidewalks and kind of the grass, and you'll see that there's this sort of trim at the very bottom of the shoe where it's slightly miscolored, and that's just, I guess, debris and dust getting on in there. So just took a quick paper towel and water to it, and generally speaking, it looks like it cleaned itself up pretty nicely. The only other bit of wear and tear that I've noticed is that this sort of plastic paneling on the side of the shoe does have a bunch of scratches to it. And because of the way that the shoe is actually designed, the lip of the 4D trim, I scratch my shoes as I'm kind of walking or just, standing there, and then I pick up my shoe to begin with and start moving. It kind of nudges against each other from time to time. Now, I would say that these shoes are not light. They're pretty heavy, so obviously running is a little bit more strenuous, but I guess that's a good thing, right? You're using more of your muscles if you got a heavier shoe, but it'll slow you down a little bit. The other thing is, how does it actually feel when you wear them? And I'd say that they are super, super comfortable. That's the nice thing. I actually kind of miss wearing them when I take them off. Just like walking around with my bare feet, I'm like, where are my Adidas at? I need them. The Adidas AlphaEdge 4D reflective shoes are very futuristic in both its design as well as technology being used. And sometimes, the future is out there a little bit. These are very bold shoes, and they might turn some people off, but I would say that try them out, put them on your feet, and you might be on cloud 9 because they are very, very comfortable. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'm Dave We Like once again. Hit the subscribe button if you want more, and I'll see you next time.